Today, we're diving into the rich and creamy world of butter chicken, or as it's known in Hindi, murg makhani. Ever wondered how this delectable dish came to be? Well, you're in for a treat. But before we uncover the saucy details, let me throw you a question that's been on my mind lately. Have you ever wondered who the culinary genius behind butter chicken was? Subscribe and stick around, and we'll unveil the flavorful mysteries. Now, let's hop into our time machine and travel back to the flavorful streets of post-independence Delhi in the 1950s. Close your eyes and imagine a busy kitchen filled with the mesmerizing aroma of spices. A culinary symphony in the making. Legend has it that Kundan Lal Gujral, the owner of the iconic Modi Mahal restaurant, faced a delicious dilemma. What to do with the leftover tandoori chicken? Waste not, want not, right? In a stroke of culinary brilliance, Gujral decided to transform those succulent, smoky tandoori chicken pieces into something extraordinary. He concocted a luxurious sauce made with ripe tomatoes, butter, cream, and a medley of aromatic spices. Butter chicken was born, a dish that not only rescued leftover chicken but also catapulted itself into the hearts and palates of food lovers around the world. Can you believe it? The creamy, tomato-based sauce clinging to perfectly cooked chicken became an instant sensation, setting the stage for butter chicken to become a culinary legend. Let's fast forward to the vibrant and revolutionary 1970s. Picture this. The world was changing, and so was our beloved dish. Butter chicken, like a culinary phoenix, was rising from the tandoor ashes to conquer the global palate. As Indian cuisine gained popularity beyond the borders of the subcontinent, butter chicken emerged as its delectable ambassador. International diners, curious and hungry for new flavors, couldn't resist the allure of this creamy, tomato-infused delight. It wasn't just a dish anymore. It was a cultural bridge, connecting people through the universal language of food. Butter chicken was making its mark on menus worldwide, from London to New York, earning its spot as a star player in the global culinary scene. Chefs around the globe were putting their own spin on the classic recipe. Some adding a dash of local spices, others experimenting with alternative ingredients. It was like butter chicken had become a canvas for culinary creativity, adapting to diverse tastes while maintaining its rich and creamy essence. Imagine butter chicken not just as a dish but as a charismatic celebrity making cameo appearances in some of the biggest blockbusters. Bollywood filmmakers, known for their love of drama and flavor, embraced butter chicken as the go-to dish for adding a touch of decadence to their cinematic creations. It became the culinary co-star, sharing the screen with legendary actors and captivating audiences with its saucy performances. But wait, butter chicken didn't stop there. It crossed over to Hollywood, proving that its appeal wasn't confined to any one film industry. From heartwarming scenes in romantic comedies to action-packed sequences in spy thrillers, butter chicken was stealing the spotlight. It wasn't just about its on-screen appearances. Butter chicken became a symbol of celebration and joy. It's the dish you order for that special date night, the comfort food that accompanies a movie marathon, and the go-to choice for celebrations big and small. You know, butter chicken has been so influential that I sometimes wonder if it has its own fan club. I mean, who wouldn't want to join the Butter Chicken Appreciation Society? If that doesn't exist, someone needs to start it ASAP. And there you have it. The tantalizing journey of butter chicken, a dish that has conquered hearts and plates worldwide. If you enjoyed this saucy tale, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and join us next time as we unravel more mouth-watering stories from the world of food history. Until then, stay curious and keep those taste buds tingling.